Hello and welcome to Indian Kitchen Flavors. Today we'll see how to prepare this crispy and crunchy aloo bhujia. Here I have taken 3 medium-sized boiled potatoes which I have peeled and then made a puree out of it using the mixer grinder. If you do not want to make a puree in the mixer grinder, you can even grate it with a fine grater. So now in this mixing bowl, I'm going to transfer a prepared potato puree. Next to this, I'm going to add 2 cups of besan or gram flour. Along with this, I'm going to add half a cup of rice flour. To the mix, I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoons of dried mint leaves powder or pudina powder, 1/2 teaspoon of asafoetida, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. You can adjust the amount of chili according to your taste. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of chaat masala, 1 teaspoon of amchur powder or dry mango powder, salt to taste. While adding salt, just keep in mind that you have added chaat masala which also has got salt in it. Now we are going to mix everything and form a soft dough out of it. Now our dough is almost ready, but at this stage you can see this is sticking a lot. So I'm going to add just around 2 teaspoons of oil. And we will knead this again for just a couple of minutes. So now you can see we have our dough ready here. This is quite pliable and soft as well. So this is how we want our dough to be. Thing to keep in mind here is that the dough is soft. It's not very soft. It's just similar to the chapati dough that we prepare. So the amount of besan that goes in it will entirely depend upon the quality of potato that you have. If it's starchy and watery, you may require more besan. So add it accordingly and make a soft dough. Now let us prepare our mold. So for that, here I will grease all the parts properly. And I'm using this plate to prepare safe and grease the inside as well. Now here I'm going to take a small portion of the dough and we'll put this inside the machine. Press it down so that there is no air inside and we'll close the machine. So this way our machine is all ready. So we'll move on to the gas. On a medium to low heat, I have some oil heating up. So now the oil is hot enough. With the help of this machine, I'm going to press down and make the saves out of it. So we will fry this on medium to low heat until the color changes to nice goldenish color and the save turns out to be crispy. So now this has become crispy from one side. We are going to turn this, flip carefully. So now I have flipped it on the other side and we are going to cook this from the other side as well until our bhujia save becomes crispy and nicely golden brown. So our save is done now. I'm going to take this out and similar way we are going to prepare the bhujia save with the remaining mix that we have. So I've finished preparing aloo bhujia from all the doughs that I had. So you can see how crispy they are. We will let this cool down completely, then store it in an airtight container and use it during your tea time or as a snack. So do try it out and share your feedbacks with me in the comment section below. If you like today's recipe, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your family and friends. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye.